Hey, Cousin Alan, here's a couple things going on with your lantern here. Um, I was able to massage out all those little dents and dings and wrinkles and stuff, so the shade is in really good shape. It's nice because these holes weren't deformed, which is something that happens a lot. Then you got to build in a reinforcement. But one issue, pardon me, with your lantern is the incredible amount of rust. And I know people just don't realize this, but this rolled edge was rolled over a piece of steel wire. And as that rusts, it pushes the rolled edge out and deforms it. And over on this side, I'll come out in the sun, maybe I'll be better light. You can see how it's pushed the roll out. What I'm doing is soaking the bottom of that in sulfuric acid to try to eat up as much of that rusty wire in there as I can. Then I can tap that roll back into place. It doesn't really need the wire in it. They just do that so they have something to roll over. So that's going to be okay, no problem there. Now, over here, at the other end of the workshop, that's nice, huh? This is your top cap. And once again, rust is the enemy. And you can see how these two little brass screws have been sucked into the brass because as the rust develops, it expands. So it pushes those out. I'm going to have to drill those out like I did on the shade. But the other thing is, your two cross pieces are completely shot. So I'm gonna make two new ones to go in there, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. This is the cross piece from my arc, Grandpa. I don't think I'm ever gonna get Grandpa assembled because I keep using his parts to make measurements. Anyway, so what I'm doing is, this is a very tricky bend to make, and I'm pretty sure Coleman must have had some heavy-duty presses so they could put a single piece in and press it. I can't make this piece. I can't do a one piece of this in the shop. I haven't got the equipment. But what I'm doing is, I bent the legs, okay, and then as a separate piece, I bent the arc, the top arc. What I'm going to do is braze that together, and then when it's brazed, smooth everything down and cut the center piece out. And I'll do something similar. The other one is a little different shape, but I'm going to use the same procedure to do that. So anyway, things are progressing. Just want to give you a peek as to what goes on in Camp Moondog Workshop. All right, have a good afternoon. Bye.